Right, so who are you?
My name is Richard Telfeja. Who am I? That's who I am. What else do you want to know?
What do you do?
What do I do? I run multiple seven-figure companies. I run e-commerce. Three seven-figure companies. 5 companies in total, 3 seven-figure ones. Hopefully we're gonna do 5 total soon.
Where are we going right now? Where are you taking us?
Dude, we're going to put some air in the tire of this bad boy. This has a flat. By the way, dolphin, all those things, all those curse words. Has a flat. It's had a flat for like 3 months now, but haven't had the time to fix it with all this quarantine that's going on. So we're gonna put air in it so that we can do a little launch in it.
It's safe to say that you could have gotten any car that you pretty much wanted to get. Why did you decide on a GTR?
So the story behind the GTR, I don't know if you know the story. Do you?
I don't think so.
Okay, so the story behind the GTR, when I was 19 years old, my stepmom used to work for the Heat. She used to do something for the Heat, so she got us tickets and we went into this garage. And when the whole game was over, let me just put up here. When the whole game was over, Alexis and I saw a GTR pulling out of the garage, and I didn't even know what car it was, but it was in front of us. And Alexis was like, "Oh, dude, look, it's a GTR." And I'm like, "Yo, what car is that? It's really nice." It was a gray GTR. And he's like, "Oh, it's a GTR. It's really expensive. It's really nice." And from that day on, I told him, I'm gonna drive that car one day. You'll see. Within 3 years, I will be driving that GTR.
Look at us now.
Yep. But yeah, man, that's the story. And a fun fact, when I got it, I shed a tear. I did shed a tear because it's like, dude, it's not even about the car, but it's just like about the work that the car means to you. You get me? You get the car, and you don't think of the car when you get it. You think of all the work that went into getting the car, because materialistic doesn't mean anything. I'm already tired of it, to be honest. I don't really care, but it's just like an accomplishment for all the work. It's like a reward for all the work that you've put into it.
So how much do you pay monthly for this car?
Every month I pay $1,630 for the car. For insurance, I pay $475. So it's pretty expensive. Pretty expensive gift.
And you bought it, or is it a lease?
No, I bought it. I put down $25,000 cash, and then the rest I financed. The sticker price on the car was, you know what? We're not putting it. We're just gonna do a launch just like this. I pay about $2,000 every month for this car. My girlfriend hates it. She thinks it's stupid. I don't know. I think only expensive things like this car makes you work harder, because you know that you have to pay it off at the end of the month. So it just makes you work that much harder, because you just put on more responsibilities on yourself, really.
What's the fastest you've ever gone in this car?
It's not that fast. I've gone 140.
And that's like on the highway type, right?
Yeah, on the highway.
Do you ever plan on like taking it to a racetrack and seeing the like max capabilities?
Everyone tells me I should, because it's a racetrack car. Like it's meant for the track. It's actually it's not like a street car. It's meant for the racetrack. But I don't know, man. I think I'd get embarrassed, because I don't really know how to drive that well. I know how to drive like a normal person, but like drifting, I've never drifted. I've never done any crazy things to it.
What car do you think you would have gone with if you didn't choose the GTR?
If I didn't choose a GTR, probably a Lamborghini. Just because a Lamborghini is a Lamborghini. You know what I mean? Everybody knows a Lamborghini. But after having the GTR, when I sell it, I'm probably gonna go with the Tesla. Just because it's a financial decision, really. I think I've gotten to the point where, here's the thing, bro. When you buy expensive things, you're buying it for 2 reasons. 1, because you enjoy it, or 2, because you want other people to see that you have it. And I think that when I bought the GTR is because I enjoyed it. But I already enjoy the car. I don't really need, like, if I ever want to enjoy a car again, I think I'll just go rent it for the day and then just return it. So the next things that I do are not gonna be because I enjoy it, because honestly, like, I can drive a regular car. So if I were to buy a Lamborghini, it would be for other people to see me driving a Lamborghini, which I'm at the point in my life where I don't give a shit what other people think anymore. I have nothing to prove to anyone at this point. So yeah, that's why I would go with a Tesla, just because it's a financial decision, a lot less money than this car, and I could get the money and invest it elsewhere.
Do people try to race you often? Like
all
on
the
the street?
Time, dude, all the time. they pull up next to me and they're just revving their engine and putting down their windows and like giving me, I don't know what this is. What is this?
Everybody wants to race the GTR.
Yeah.
No, we gotta ask Rolly for that one.
Yeah, everyone wants to race me, man. I've never raced anyone. Actually, I have raced. I raced the Nissan Altima one time because he put down his window. He's like, "Hey man, let's race." And I looked at him. I'm like, "Bro, you see?" Like I'm thinking in my head, I'm like, "Damn, is this guy?" Because if you see a Nissan Altima wanting to race you, you're thinking either this guy's gonna smoke me or he's just messing around. So I did it and I won.
Sleeper, right?
Yeah, a sleeper.
Do you see it as more like of a toy that you can like enjoy or as an investment?
I bought it telling everyone it was for an investment. That was like that was the excuse, but it's a toy, man. This is a toy. I don't make money off this car. If anything, this car has cost me. I've owned this car. Do you know how long? I don't even know, man. I think since February of the previous
Yeah, it was right
year.
before we got the office, right?
Yeah, like February. So I'm in the hole like $30,000 in this car.
Jesus.
So it's not an investment. It's just a toy. And it's dumb. Financially, it's dumb to have a car like this, but it's fun. I mean,
But it's something that you get to enjoy.
exactly, dude. I'm 26 years old right now, so the person who told me to get the car honestly was my dad. He's like, "Bro, just get the car. You're 26. Well, when are you gonna get it? When you have kids and that's why I just got it now." I've enjoyed the hell out of this car, to be honest. And yeah.
For all the 17-year-old Richards watching this video right now, seeing this, who want to have the GTR, what's your advice to them?
Man, my advice. Here's the thing. And John, you know this. When I say I'm gonna do something, you don't always necessarily have to know how you're gonna get there. You just have to know where you want to get to, and the means of getting there. You don't have to know. So that's when I was at that basketball game with Alexis, dude. I had no idea how I was gonna do it, and honestly, it wasn't even that serious. But I did tell them, hey, I'm gonna get that car one day, and I'm gonna drive it, and I just knew I was gonna do it. Doesn't matter, obviously if it's legal, but just go after what you want to do. Don't let anyone bring you down. For example, like you're into music and stuff like that. That's why I would never bring you down or tell you to not go after it. You have to go after what you want. So if your goal is to one day have a really expensive car or have a 7-figure business, just go after it. And the more you chase it, the more opportunities will present themselves to you. You only lose when you stop chasing it. And some people achieve it when they're 22. Some people achieve it when they're 30. But the most important part is to never give up on whatever it is that you want. But yeah, man, you only fail when you stop. Because if you think about it, if you do something and something goes wrong, but you keep trying, you haven't failed yet. Or if you fail again and then you try again, you still haven't failed because you're still trying at it. The only way that you actually fail is when you stop trying. When you say, you know what, I couldn't do it. Let's move on to the next chapter.
Yeah, it's only when you accept it.
It's only when you accept defeat that you actually fail. If not, then you'll never fail if you just keep trying. You ready? Have you done this? Yeah, you've done this, right? Ready?
Yeah. Oh my Jesus. Oh, how many G's was that?
You want to track it? Okay, we'll do it again. Oh shit, what the hell? Stop vehicle until warning turns off. Hold on. If it goes away, then we'll do it again. Oh, the clutch temperature is high. Yo, that was an insane launch.
Bro, I wish the people watching this could have like felt that right now, because there's no way they could like.
Dude, that one pulled me, and I don't know if you noticed, but I kind of lost control for a little bit.
Yeah, like at the beginning, I think you lost the traction, right?
Yeah, I did. Bro, Johnny, I lost control of the car. Did you feel it or no?
Yeah, I did.
You felt it, right? Bro, you don't understand. This isn't even for the camera, Johnny. This isn't for the camera. Bro, that was weird. But yeah, man, it makes so much sense financially to go for a Tesla or something. Because man, this $2,000 a month, I know it's a lot of money, and I could afford it, but just because you couldn't afford it doesn't mean you should do it. You get me?
Yeah.
You
should do it for a little while.
Yeah. I'm weird with money, man. I'm frugal. I'm frugal as f***. Are you gonna dolphin all that?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I'm really frugal. So is Laz, though. Laz is frugal as hell. This chain is fake as f***. This chain is fake. Yeah, I mean it's gold plated, you know. It's not $2 either. It's like a $50 chain, but I don't believe in all that bullshit, man. I don't believe. I was actually having this conversation the other day. I wish you would have been there, bro. You would have added some good stuff to it with my dad, because my dad's the opposite. My dad's like, oh, go buy a real fucking Rolex. So I've been telling him, dude, get me a fake Rolex. I want like a nice fake $800 Rolex that I can just wear, and I want it because I like the way the watch looks. I don't give a if other people like they say, oh, it's fake. Like, I'll come out and say, hey, it's fake. Guess what? It's fake. But he's like, no, man, get the real one. But dude, do you know what it is to pay? The one I want is $30,000. You know what it is to be wearing $30,000 on your wrist? Let's put this into perspective. You get out of a GTR with a fake Rolex, it's a real Rolex.
Yeah.
You get out of I don't know, a Toyota Corolla with a real Rolex, guess what? It's a fake Rolex. Yep. So bro, at the end of the day,
it's all about the context.
Exactly. So guys, whoever's watching the video, make sure you like the video, comment, subscribe, make sure that little blue thumb, well, make sure the little gray thumb turns blue. It'll definitely help us push out more content. We're not doing this to make money. We're just doing this to let you guys a little bit into our lives and what we do. How normal people just like you guys do amazing things as well. I mean, we run 3 7-figure companies, 2 6-figure companies, which we're trying to get them to 7 figures now. And we're just everyday guys, man. I eat at the same restaurants you guys eat. I wear the same clothes you guys wear. Just regular dudes doing extraordinary things. So if you guys want to look more into this, look a little bit more into our lives and what we do, what we like to do on our free time, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. It'll help us start putting out more content. Again, we're not getting paid for this. We're not monetized by YouTube, at least during this video. Maybe someday in the future we will be.
Hopefully.
But yeah, catch you guys in the next one, hopefully.